Hey guys, Ronnie B at adsync.co. Going to show you how to post an ad to Craigslist as well as how to sell your item quickly. First thing I do is go to craigslist.org, find my location, click on Boise, and I want to log in first. You don't have to, it's just easiest. So I click on my account, gives me the login option, and of course spamcopper@hotmail.com already in there. Type in our password. Once you're logged in, you come up to the right hand side and you'll see it says post new ad in, and then gives you the city options. A big pull down menu has all the cities listed in Craigslist. I of course stick with the default, which is Boise. Hit go. And today I had a buddy email me and ask me to sell his Super Nintendo Entertainment System. So I'm going to go right here to for sale, click on for sale, and you see they have a lot of other options, but today we want to sell. And two different locations this could actually go in. It could go with computers and tech, but I'm going to try video gaming right down here at the bottom. First thing it asks you is post a title, then price, then specific location. Now I'm going to pull up my buddy's email and just copy and paste. So I'm going to drop the majority of the email. I'm going to paste it into the posting description to start off with. Now right up here at the top you see he's got Super Nintendo Entertainment System. I'm going to highlight that and just drag it up to posting title. Come back down to the posting description. And let's read what he said here. SNES, that's the abbreviation for Super Nintendo Entertainment System, in perfect condition, in original box, with all cables, hookups, and paperwork. 2 games, including Mortal Kombat and Super Star Wars. The system and games all work beautifully. System has virtually no mileage on it, and has been mostly stored away. Asking $60, email, call, or text if interested. I'm going to add a little bit to this. If we use an escrow company, we could ship this safely anywhere in the US. So I'm going to put in here willing to ship for cost of shipping. And that would be relatively inexpensively done. You see all the USPS commercials these days. If it fits, it ships. So they've got pretty inexpensive ways to ship these things. I'm going to put $60 up here in the price box. Specific location, he is in, let's see, almost Meridian, Idaho. I'm going to just put Boise. That'll be close. He's right on the edge of Boise, Meridian. So we'll just put Boise. And you notice he's got his full phone numbers in here, and it says cell and text. I'm going to change these up a little. There's a lot of spam bots that will scroll through these Craigslist listings and look for number formats, and then they'll put your phone number in a database and call you to offer you prescription drugs and pens and all sorts of spam garbage. So not only will you get spam via email when you start doing online classifieds if you're not careful, but you also can get it via phone line. So what I like to do is just kind of break this up a little and maybe type the number. So 20, and then I spelled out 8, get rid of the hyphen, and I'm going to spell out 8 again, get rid of that 855, put a space, and I'm going to get rid of the 0 and spell it out. And then same thing for this text number down here. I'll do exactly the same thing. 8, 9, rid of the hyphen, whoops. Anything you can do to kind of mix it up, but not make it impossible for your customers to read and get in contact with you. Okay, so the ad looks pretty good. I want to add some images. Okay, so to add some images, you click down here, Add Edit Image button, choose File. This will go to my desktop. I've got tons of stuff here. SNES 02. I'm going to put as many images as Craigslist will let me, which is 4. And I haven't scrutinized these images yet, but it's from a buddy of mine, so I'm sure they're okay. Let's see. One thing to think about with the images, just make sure they're not too big. And one other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to post a YouTube video clip. We recorded the working. Just a quick overview of what I have. There we go. Yeah, we recorded the workings of the machine, the Nintendo Entertainment System. So I'm going to copy that YouTube link and I'm going to put it in here with the Craigslist ad. See it in operation on YouTube. Output.com. And let's go ahead and hit continue now. Verify your ad. Make sure your images look the way you want them to look. And continue. Then you're going to need to enter your CAPTCHA information or the word verification information. Type it in, continue, and your ad is placed. You will receive an email from Craigslist shortly with the URL for your ad. Okay, so let's check our Hotmail. There we go, craigslist.org. Let's pop it open. And there we are. There's the URL for the ad we just posted. Now, let's continue with trying to sell on Craigslist. We posted the ad, and you can sit and wait. I like to get it done quick as I can. So let's go check out our ad. Ad is there. It looks good. Now, watch what I'm going to do next. I'm going to go over to AdSync. Well, actually, I'll tell you what. Let me copy all this. Super Nintendo Entertainment System. And let's pop over to AdSync. Let's drop in the Super Nintendo Entertainment System down here. Let's move Nintendo up to the mandatory box. And let's change Nintendo down in the supporting search terms to SNES. And let's find out who wants a Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Okay, check this out. So we just did a want search for Nintendo. We got 59 wants back. And that doesn't mean that they're all going to be the person we're looking for, but this is where I go next. So I will, let's see, this guy wants a PlayStation 2, Super Nintendo, and games. He's in Tallahassee, and that's okay because I said I would ship it. Nintendo DS. Here we go. This is exactly what we're looking for. That's Florence, South Carolina. And this guy wants to buy Super Nintendo and games. Let's pop open a couple of these. I'm looking for some NES, SNES, consoles only, with or without games, fine, dirty, clean. So what I would do now is I would send this guy an email and let him know I have an willing to ship my I'll put my buddy's name. And let's see, where was our Super Nintendo? There we go. Copy the URL and go back to the email. Drop it in and then hit send. That's all you do. So now you've got your ad posted and you can continue going through AdSync and emailing any of these guys. Let's see. Look at this guy. ASAP, sell me your Nintendo or Super Nintendo. Let's look at his ad. I will buy your Nintendo or Super Nintendo. All right, for Amazon.com prices. So you might want to go check at Amazon.com if you were selling a Nintendo Super Entertainment System. So this will be another one. I'll send him an email as well. But that's the advantage to using the AdSync. You can go through all the wants, find the people that are looking for Nintendo, and send them your Craigslist. So you'll end up selling your items a lot quicker. And that's what we call active selling versus passive selling. Hey, thanks a bunch for checking in, guys. Shoot me an email if you want to see something specific.